Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of JBusyBee. And today I'm going to show you how to make a surprise cookie. You can use any recipe. You can use a peanut butter recipe or just a normal chocolate chip recipe. So on the top of these sticky notes is the normal recipe, but we're going to be doubling it. So it would be 1 1/2 cups butter, 1/2 cup shortening, 2 cups brown sugar, 1 cup white sugar, and then you put these in your mixer and then you mix it. And then you want to do these. 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon, 4 eggs, and then you put it in your mixer and then you mix it. And then you put in 5 1/3 cups flour, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 teaspoons baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. Before you start making the dough, you want to make sure that you preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And as you can see, it's already at 350. So now we have added our butter, our shortening, our brown sugar, and our white sugar, and we have put it in our mixer. And for the butter, you want to soften it a little, and as you can see, it's cut up into little pieces, because if it's just in a big piece, then it can break your mixer. Now we need to mix it. Now we add our vanilla and our eggs. And now we mix it. We've added our flour, and we're gonna add our cornstarch, our baking soda, and our salt. So we've put our top on, and we want to go a little bit at a time because the flour will go everywhere. Now our dough has formed. Now it is time for our surprise. And you can use any candy you like, but we chose Rolos, and you will need to unwrap them. So now you want to take some dough, put it in your hand, flatten it out, take a Rolo, put it in your dough, and then you want to wrap it. So you want the dough to be a couple of inches between, and it doesn't matter what the cookie looks like, because the cookie's gonna flatten out and the chocolate's gonna melt inside, and that's the surprise. If you don't have enough time to wrap the dough around the Rolo, another way is you can take your dough, put it in your hand, you wanna flatten it out a little, and take your Rolo, just place it right up there. Now our tray is full, and as you can see, we did both kinds. We need to put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. It may need a little more time though. So now we have put it in for 10 minutes, and let's open it up and check on them. Ooh, I think they could use another minute, but they are melting, so that's good. 1 minute has gone by, and as you can see, it's a bit golden on the edges, just a teeny bit, and that means they're about perfect. So now we put them on a cooling rack, and they're gonna continue to bake while on the tray. And as you can see, these ones are really pretty, so you would probably prefer to do it the surprise way. Now let's taste it because it's done. Yummy. It's good. This is what it will look like on the inside. for watching Jay's Busy Bee. Subscribe to my channel and write down in the comment section below and like this video. Bye!